Hey guys, this is me. It's pizza review time again. So I'm in Seaside Heights, New Jersey. I'm at the Sawmill. This is the plate they give you. It's a huge slice. So it was at $6.50 for this. Got like 3 pizzas in one. Look how big this thing is. And we're hopping today. I think it's the first decent Saturday we had in a while. So a lot of cheese before we get to the sauce. Definitely super floppy, but to be expected. Let me taste some cheese. This thing's super hot. It came out of the oven. Oh, there's the only carrots. Pretty good. I'm gonna go 7.2 on this. Alright, so thanks for watching. Follow me, everybody. Please follow me on TikTok and YouTube. Please like and share this video. Tell a friend. And I'll see you guys later and see you at the beach.